Are you tired of fumbling through Klaviyo's menus just to import a simple CSV? You'll import your entire contact list into Klaviyo in under 3 minutes. We'll walk through every click, from creating your list to selecting the right file and confirming the import, so you can do it confidently on your own. Click on Audience. Click on Lists and Segments. Click on Create. Click on List. Type the name of your new list in the Name field. Click on Create List. Click on Upload Contacts. Click on Upload. Click on Next. Click on No. Click on Import. Click on View Contacts. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.